Hello student, good morning all of you. Today I am discussing with you SEM 6 paper number 14 organic chemistry. This paper contains 4 units. First unit reagents and reactions in organic synthesis. Then there are 6 reactions and 6 reagents. Then second unit electrophilic addition to carbon carbon double bond and carbon carbon triple bond. Third unit is the natural product, and last fourth unit pharmaceuticals. Then today I am discussing with last unit number 4, pharmaceutical. This pharmaceutical topic consists introduction, second point classification, third one is the qualities of ideal drug, and fourth point in this topic is synthesis and uses of some selected drugs. Then there is 6 drugs, and these 6 drugs are: first is the isoniazide. Isoniazide this drug used as a anti-tubercular drug. Then second drug is the ethambutol. Ethambutol is also used as the anti-tubercular drug. Third one, paludrin. Paludrin is used as anti-malarial drug. Fourth name of the drug is benzocaine. Benzocaine is used as a local anesthesia. Fifth one, phenobarbital. Phenobarbital is the CNS drug. CNS means central nervous system. This phenobarbital drug used as a hypnotic drug. And last one is the chloromycetin or chloramphenicol. Here chloromycetin or chloramphenicol used as a antibiotics. And last point in this topic is drug action of sulfa drug. Then first we study definition of drug. What is the definition of drug? Chemical or group of chemical used in treatment of various diseases, infection, to prevent, cure or diagnosis is called as the drug. Then qualities of ideal drug. There are the 5 qualities of ideal drug. First quality, it should be cheap and safe. Then second one, action of drug should be localized at the site where it is required to act. Third quality of drug is it should not reduce resistance power. Fourth one is it should not be retained in the body for longer period than required. And last quality of ideal drug is it should be bactericidal, means kill bacteria, then bacteriostatic. Bacteriostatic means stop the growth of bacteria. Therefore drug should be bactericidal than bacteriostatic. The next point is the classification of drugs. Then drugs are classified mainly into 2 types. One is the functional drug and another is the chemotherapeutic. Then functional drug having again 8 subtypes. Then first we see what is meant by functional drug. Here functional drugs are these drugs stimulate or depress various physiological activities are called as the functional drug. Then they are subclassified again into 8 types. First is the CNS drug. CNS means central nervous system drug. These drugs depress the central nervous system. Then central nervous system drugs, CNS drugs are again classified. First is the CNS stimulant, means they activate central nervous system. Second one is the tranquilizer. Then what is meant by tranquilizer? These drugs improve mood and behavior of psychic patient. Then hypnotics, third type of CNS drug, hypnotic. Hypnotic drugs are CNS depression which produce sleep. Patient can't easily awaken until the effect of hypnotic drugs drawn away. The next type of CNS drug is the sedative. They are also CNS depressant but without producing sleep. Sedatives, those drugs without producing sleep, and hypnotic drugs are produce sleep. And last type of CNS drug is the anticonvulsant. This CNS drug used to prevent epileptic seizures. Then second type of functional drug is the anesthetic. And anesthetic drugs are again subclassified into two types: local anesthesia and general anesthesia. Then first we study here definition of anesthetic drug. These are drugs used to produce partial or total loss of consciousness. They are classified as local anesthetic. Novocaine, this drug used in dental surgery. And second one is the general anesthetic. General anesthetic, diethyl ether or chloroform is used as the general anesthetic drugs. Means those drugs which produce total loss of consciousness is called as the anesthetic drug. Then third type of functional drug is the antipyretic. Antipyretic drugs. These drugs are lower the body temperature in case of fever, but do not decrease it below normal body temperature. Here antipyrin or paracetamol is the antipyretic drugs. Means antipyretic drugs are lower the body temperature in case of fever and not decrease the normal body temperature. Then fourth type of functional drug is the analgesic. Analgesic means those drugs which are pain reliever. Here aspirin and paracetamol as a analgesic drug. The next functional drug is the antihistamine. Here antihistamine control secretion of histamine. Means those drugs which control the secretion of histamine is called as the antihistamine drug. The next one is the antidiabetic drug. Antidiabetic drugs control secretion of insulin. The next one is the anti-inflammatory drug. Anti-inflammatory drugs cure the inflammation. And last functional drug is the cardiac drug. Here cardiac drug control disorder in circulatory system. Then cardiac drugs are again classified into two types: hypertensive drug and hypotensive drugs. Means these are act on various functions of body, therefore it is called as the functional drugs. Then next drug classification, chemotherapeutic drugs. Here chemotherapy drugs means those drugs used in the treatment of infectious diseases, infection caused by parasitic microorganism or protozoa, viruses, bacteria, fungi, etc. Then these chemotherapeutic drugs or chemotherapeutic agents are again classified into 8 types. First is the antiviral agents. Antiviral agents means those drugs cure the viral infection are called as the antiviral agents. Then second one is the anti-cancer or anti-cancer drug is also called as the anti-neoplastic agent. Those drugs cure the cancer. The next chemotherapy drug is the antifungal agent. Those drugs cure the fungal infection. The next one is the anti-malarial drug or anti-malarial agent. Those drugs used to cure malaria are called as the anti-malarial drug. The next one is the anti-leprosy drug. Those drugs which cure the leprosy diseases is called as the anti-leprosy drugs. Then another type of chemotherapy drug is the antiseptic and disinfectant. Antiseptic means those drugs act on living surfaces, and disinfectants, these disinfectants, those chemicals applied non-living surfaces. Example of antiseptic is the phenol, Dettol, chloromycetin, boric acid, K-menopur, etc. used as the antiseptic drugs. The next one chemotherapeutic drug type is the antihelminthics. Those drugs which kill or remove helminthiis are called as the anti-helminthic drugs. Then anti-amoebic agent, this is the last type of chemotherapy drugs. Those drugs used to cure amoebic dysentery is called as the anti-amoebic drugs. Means mainly drugs are classified into two types, functional drugs and the chemotherapeutic drugs. Then functional drug classified into 8 types and chemotherapeutic drugs are classified again 8 types. Thank you.